Smart Gate is an intelligent content-aware gate. The plugin opens only when it detects a chosen target source. So, unlike conventional gates, its processing does not depend on the level of the entire input signal. Let me show you what I mean. On this vocal track, we can hear microphone rumble and some exaggerated guitar bleed.
Too far gone. Can you see me breathing?
A regular gate would simply open once the dB threshold is met.
Too far gone. Can you see me breathing?
Now, let's use Smart Gate. Select the vocal profile, lower the threshold, and I'm done. The gate only opens when the vocal is present. The guitar bleed and microphone rumble are completely ignored no matter how loud they are.
Too far gone. Can you see me breathing? Too far gone. Can you see me breathing?
I can also tweak the release and hold parameter to get an even smoother, more natural sound.
I'm yours, you're mine. Too far